Hi, welcome to my Keto Ultra Diet review. Keto Ultra Diet is an effective natural solution for weight loss. It supports ketone production in the body and promotes weight loss by utilizing fats for daily physical and mental effort. It is yet the laziest way to burn fat and transform the body. It gives a flat, lean body, promotes heart health, and improves digestion. It has 100% natural ingredients with no side effects. A powerful fat-burning ketone, BHB, has been modified to produce an instant fat-burning solution the natural way. Keto Ultra Diet is a far better product as compared to other fat-burning techniques. It is a follow-up for the ketogenic diet and utilizes fats to cater daily activities rather than carbohydrates or proteins. It is inexpensive and comes in various supply packaging. It doesn't require going through painful techniques like injections and liposuction surgeries. In simple words, Keto Ultra assists a person in bringing down his excess weight. This is crucial because excess weight and obesity correspond with tons of health concerns. All in all, Keto Ultra is a safe and effective supplement. It is based on a natural ingredient list that does not pose side effects. If you're looking to drop excess fat in a natural way, then you should go for Keto Ultra. Visit the link in the description to get Keto Ultra Diet for the most discounted price online.